So let's say that I have a value of respect. Great. And I am trying to decide, do I stay in my job or do I take this other job? And you're like, well, Tiffany, my boss at this job completely disrespects me. I'm sorry, and you deserve better. But I don't know what it's going to be like here. I mean, I get a read, but also I thought that boss would respect me, and then it kind of turned toxic. And so you never really know. We've all had a version of this conversation with ourselves, right? We can all just go down that rabbit hole. By understanding that your top value is respect, you get to rise up from the this or that juggle, and you get to start looking at your life through a different lens where we get to say, what are all of the different things you can do to honor your value of respect? Oh, interesting. I can show up for my family differently. I can be in relationship with myself, with my body in a more respectful way. Oh, interesting. What would open up for you if you were like, I'm going to show myself more respect? What would open up for you if you were like, I am not going to tolerate disrespect? And if somebody is disrespecting me, I am going to disengage as much as I possibly can, given whatever circumstance I'm in. You may not be throwing your lemonade in your boss's face, but there are things that you are not going to participate in. Great. Okay. Well, but I still don't know if I need that job. Here's the thing though. By honoring your value of respect in different ways, it takes the pressure off of that decision that you are trying to grapple with and holding so tightly. And it allows you to see, where do you have choice? Where are you able to create that thing that you want? Which is really honoring your value of respect. It's not about, this job is not the answer. It might be an answer, but so am I staying here and having some conversations with some people to see if that respect goes away. But you are no longer putting all of your fulfillment on one of these two external things to light you up and keep you happy. Because what we know is that you can go to this job and maybe it's great. Awesome. That would be the goal. But also maybe it's great for a while and then you get bored again and then you start looking for another job and then you think, maybe I'm just a person who's never going to be happy in a job. And is that me? Oh, I don't know. I don't want that to be me. Values. Values are an answer.